How to fix Messenger calls not showing up on screen. Hello guys, welcome back to our another tutorial video. I hope you are doing great. So let's start without wasting time. First of all, check updates for Messenger. Open up your Play Store, tap on the search bar, search Messenger and install updates if available. Now if this doesn't fix your problem, go back to your home screen, keep holding Messenger icon, tap on app info and make sure your notification is enabled. Now go back, scroll down a bit, tap on display over other apps and enable this. Now again go back, tap on picture in picture, enable this option. Now go back, now scroll up, now go to permissions and make sure you allow phone and microphone. Now go back to your home screen. I hope this should fix your problem. Thank you for watching our tutorial. I hope you liked our content.